You have brought me to the city of the sun.
5 things keeping you broke every month. Are you tired of being broke before the month ends? Wondering where your money disappears, even when you swear you're not spending that much? It's not always the big expenses, it's the silent traps. In this video, I'll break down 5 everyday habits that are quietly keeping you broke and how to fix them. This is Coin Slider, where every broke story gets a plot twist. 1. Emotional spending. We've all done it. Stressed, bored, sad, so we buy something to feel better. It works, but only for 10 minutes. The damage lasts the whole month. Fast food, impulse buys, retail therapy. Emotional spending is a budget killer. Quick highs, long-term regrets. Fix. Ask yourself, is this solving my problem or just distracting me from it? Next time, save that R80 instead. Let your money be your comfort. 2. Paying for convenience. Uber Eats, daily airtime top-ups, bottled water. Small spends that quietly drain your money. You're not broke because of low income. You're broke because of high leaks. Cook at home, buy data monthly. Carry your own water. Reduce lazy habits. The hustle isn't just about making more. It's about leaking less. 3. No budget equals no control. If you don't tell your money where to go, it leaves no budget. You're guessing every day. Most people don't track spending. They just hope for the best. Create a weekly budget, notes app, paper, or spreadsheet. Plan for rent, food, transport, savings, and a little joy. Every rand must have a job, otherwise it's going on holiday. 4. Flexing with fake money. Trying to look rich when you're not keeps you broke. New shoes, drinks, parties, just to impress people who wouldn't even lend you $50. Live below your means, let your grind speak before your lifestyle does. And when you level up, do it in silence. Success hits different when it's funded, not faked. 5. No long-term vision. Living day-to-day with no goal keeps you stuck. No plan equals no progress. When you have no direction, just R100 feels harmless. That mindset blocks your future. Set a small money goal. Save R1000, learn a new skill, start an emergency fund. When you know where you're going, it's easier to say no to distractions. Quick recap. Here's what's keeping you broke. 1. Emotional spending. 2. Convenience costs. 3. No budget. 4. Flexing fake wealth. 5. No future vision. Fix 1 and you'll feel a shift. Fix all 5 and you're on your way to a new level. This is Coin Slider, where every broke story gets a plot twist. Like, share, and subscribe for more real money talk.
Where's the music coming from?